Hello everybody, today I am going to be making my first unboxing and review of a product. So today we'll be reviewing this stool that I have gotten. I'm hoping to use the stool for things such as like sports photography or sports videography. Sports are the #1 thing that I've primarily bought this for, but it can be used for any other reasoning or even outside of photo and video, just to sit and have a portable sitting device. So now let's go ahead and open this. Alright, so we open this package. We see that there is some bubble wrap and then some instructions right here. So I took that out of the container, and what I see here is we have the little cushion for the seat, and then we have the actual seat. One thing that I really liked about this when I ordered it was that it's very small. Like, you can like hold it, super portable, and it's super like compact. Like this is how big it is. I can easily throw this in a bag or carry it, much easier than any other seating arrangement that I might want to use. So putting this together is very simple. There are dots on the front and on the back. So all you have to do is throw your fingers in those and then twist. Boom, we got the seat. So I will show you a couple special features about this. One thing that I really enjoyed about this is that this is like the highest that it can go, but if you want to, you can also just turn it again, twist it, and then you can change the size of the seat. So now it's a much smaller seat if I want to sit lower to the ground, which I found and will end up being very useful. And then if I want to use the cushion, this has 2 dots on it as well. Just put it on top, and there you go. Got a nice little seat. And I will just show you guys some tests to see how sturdy this is. And now I'm gonna just give you guys a little bit of demonstration. Seat's right here. Just gonna sit it down. It's nice and sturdy. You can move around on it, nothing moves. It says it can hold up to 180 kilograms, which is a significant amount of weight, and I will have no issue with whatever camera I'm using. If I have a monopod I want to use, or if I'm just using the handheld, this thing is super nice and it's comfy. I could honestly sit here all day. And like I mentioned earlier, you can adjust the size of the seat. Twist, pull. Now it's a small seat. Not sure if you can see this, but now we got a super small seat. If I want to get low to the ground to get some more powerful like hero shots low to the ground, super easy and much more comfortable than sitting on the floor. And just as easy as it was to put together, it is to take apart. Take the cushion off, put your fingers in each thing, in each of the holes, pull, twist, back to its compact size. You can carry it with you anywhere. Super nice and easy. This seat, I really recommend it to anyone who is looking to take pictures or video, or even if you just want to have a portable seat to go with you to athletic events, especially outdoors. Like if it's wet, this gives you something super nice to sit on, so you don't have to sit on the wet grass or the cold ground or whatever it is. This is super nice. It's portable, super lightweight. There's different color options too if you want a different color. Yeah, I really recommend this to anyone who is looking for a small, portable, lightweight seat. I will put the link to this in the description. If any of you have ever purchased this or something similar, let me know how you guys have felt about it. Yeah, so that is my review of this little stool. Hopefully you guys learned something, and maybe you guys can get one yourself.